What's up, YouTube? It's your girl, you know who, what, Wife Love Luxury, and I am back with a vlog this time. So today's vlog is gonna be maintenance, getting myself together, running some errands and things like that. So first of all, don't pay attention to how I look. Hair's not done. That's the first errand. So we're on my way to go get my hair braided, and from there we might go get our lashes done, and there our nails done, then maybe something to eat. But I will come back to you once I get my hair done. Peace. What's up, YouTube? It's your girl, you know who, what, Wife Love Luxury, and I am back continuing part 2 of what I received for my birthday. The other things did come in from the last time I talked to you guys. And then I'm going to show you other things that I did get for my birthday. / also TjMaxx finds. So let's go ahead and get into it. Let's recap from the last time I left off. I believe it was Saturday. I had went to get my hair done, lashes done, nails done. Just something basic, you know, just something different. I don't have my ring on, so don't pay that no attention. But anyway, we're going to go ahead and get into it. That was the recap. Like I said, hair, lashes. I went to Panda to get something to eat. And then I also went and got my nails done. So now I'm going to show you what else that I got for my birthday. And I'm surprised my balloons are still up. And this was from March 22nd birthday. Aries month. Okay. So my husband didn't have my daughter make me this for my birthday, and it was like really special because I've always wanted one. Didn't think I would get one, but he had her make me this here, a money rose bouquet. I absolutely loved it. The only thing I can say has been a pain in my butt to keep up is the little white flowers that keep coming out every blue moon. But other than that, they were gorgeous. I loved it. It just made my day on my birthday. So she made it and had it in here. And still to this day, I do not know how much dollar bills these is. No, we're not no stripper, but anyway, I don't know how many dollar bills these is to make this rose bouquet. I never asked. I really didn't care because all I wanted was the feeling of having the money rose, and that's what I got. So, needless to say, it will just stay like this until never. I'm in no hurry to break it down or use the money or anything, so it's just the thought of having the appreciation of looking at it to be like, oh, he thought about me. So that's that. So we're going to put that there. Stay. Okay. The next thing I did receive for my birthday was from my friend Glow. She bought me a few things, but the only thing I have left that I didn't get into yet was these strawberry candles. And when I say they smell so good, I have not lit them up yet or anything, but I can smell them through the bag. She did give me 2 of these, and also some infused check mix, but this is not no promotion for that, okay? Just telling you what I received on my birthday. So I did tear those up. Also, what I was waiting on to come in that I told you about was my AirPod Pro Max charging station. So I've still been using it. I got the color pink on it right now, so I am loving that. And they work pretty good, I can say. I will still do a full review on them, but I did use them to go outside and cut the grass, something I'm not supposed to do, but I do it anyway because I enjoy it. But I did use them to go cut the grass and trim the bushes, and baby, when I say they work, especially that noise cancellation. You don't hear nothing, okay? Nothing. So the reason why I brought these back out was because we were waiting on this to arrive, which was the Max Stand Charger Stand AirPod Max Wireless. So it did come in. And this is what it looks like. Like I said, this is no promotion because they're not paying me. But this is what it looked like. And you attach this little, it's a magnet piece. So it looks like this when you first receive it. Then you have this little, I don't know if you can see it because of my nails, but this little piece right here. And it snaps into, excuse me, that little piece right there. And then you take the cord, plug it up right here, plug this part into the wall. And then, as you can see, you got this little part right here at the bottom of the charger. You just kind of like set it on top of the thing. And this part here, this one here rests on the other part right here. So you do it like that, and it automatically connects in it, and it'll sit on your table just like that. Now, like I said, it do come in black, green, blue, the pink, and the white. So every color that the first generation of the AirPod Max comes in a color to match it, except for the gray. The gray, you have to get white, which I have no problem with that. Black, white, gray, those are all my favorite colors. So, yeah, I opted for the white for the gray. So, I wanted to come on here and show you this, how it sets up. I have only used it once so far, and I can say it did what it was supposed to do. So, we're going to set that right there. Okay, so now let's get into this TjMaxx TjMaxx find. When I tell you, baby, I was like, what? Because I hadn't been to TjMaxx in a while. So when I went, I did, and the only reason I went for real is because my daughter had showed me she had got this purse, and she showed me this one. She got this one. But hers is a little bit different. Her pattern is a little bit smaller, and these are a little bit bigger weaved in. So I did like that. I am no fan of gold. No fan. But it's not like an everyday bag that I would use. This is just a bag that I would use if I'm going out, you know, club, something like that, date night, something like that. Then yeah, I'll go ahead and use this bag right here if I'm wearing the color black. This one was originally $29.99, and it was on clearance for $24. Okay, and it is made by Urban Expression. Like I said, this video is also not sponsored. We're gonna stop doing that because we need to get paid, right? Don't y'all agree? I agree. But anyway, this is made by Urban Expression, and the code is 28426 in black right here. So in case they might still have it in your TjMaxx if you can find it. If not, you can just get on TjMaxx.com and go and order it. Like I said, I did give you the order number. And also, we got, I'm going to say the best one for last one that I'm like really rocking right now and that I love so much that I had my daughter go give me another one for a backup. That's how you know you love it. Okay, so this one is also from TjMaxx, but they didn't have it in the store, so I went online. I ordered it, which is this one here. And let me say, I do not own a white bag, cream bag in my collection. I have the basic colors, the blacks, the Louis Vuitton brown, and monogram, reverse monogram. Yeah, those are in one gray. That's it. The only colors I got in handbags. Now I can add this color. Like I said, I did find this one. I went online, ordered it at TjMaxx because they didn't have it in the store. This one is also by Urban Expression, and the code is 26625-white. MSRP originally $80, but I did buy this one for $39. A save. All about saving the bucks. I love it for the fact that they're small. Now, before I was into the big bags, you know, they were cool, cute, you know, but the older you get, baby, you want to save that back. So saving that back means changing up the game. So like I said, this is a going out bag. Okay. And the last bag that I found at TjMaxx was this one. You guys, when I say I am in love with this one, and this one is not a Louis Vuitton, a Chanel, didn't damn darn near spend as much as I do for the Louis Vuittons and the Chanels and all that. Baby, this was only $29, okay? Never had a jean purse in my collection. So when I got this, I was like, yes, I know what I can already pair it to. I bought this one outfit to go out. So I was going to wear this with it. You know, it was a white outfit with some jean heels and this jean bag because it was going to be rocking, which I'm still going to do. I'm just waiting to go out, and that's going to be an outfit. I might take it on my Vegas trip that's coming up, or my Oklahoma trip. One of the two we gonna do. So, like I said, you do have the braided thing here. I am currently rocking it. It is full, but not so full to where I can't zip it up. You see it zipped right up, right down. Easy on the back, baby, okay? It did come with this silver chain, which I love. I'm only a silver girl, gold if I have to. But this here, and if I can wear a crossbody, if I wear a crossbody, it sits like right here on my hip, you know, comfortably. I don't have to worry about it. Or you could just, you know, carry it like this, where you're holding the chain and the strap. Or if you're comfortable, you could just let it hang, but that's too much hanging for me. So I'll just rather hold it like this if I'm going to hold it in my hand and I'm walking through the store. I'll just hold it like this. But 9 times out of 10, you already know I'm rocking crossbody. That's my kind of style right now, crossbody. So with that being said, I also did buy, like I said, I had my daughter pick me up one more of these because I love it so much that who knows? I might get a stain on it that can't come out, or you just never know. It's always good to have a backup. But anyway, we're going to go ahead and end this video here. I hope you enjoyed watching the remaining part of my birthday gift / TjMaxx finds. And I hope you stay tuned to the next video. You guys, I'm trying to get back consistent. I'm trying. It's just that it's always something. Not enough space on your computer, or you just don't have time to do it, or you're thinking of ideas. So any ideas that y'all might have that y'all want me to do a video on, just leave it down below. I will see them. I do see all my comments. Some I respond, some I just delete, block if you want to get ignorant, because we're not ignorant over here. We're just cool, laid back, tell you what I feel about the items that I purchased. And if I want to purchase something, I'll tell you guys what I want to purchase and what video I found it on and what they said and the whole 9 yards. So we're not hating over here. We vibing over here, okay? So on that note, your girl is going to be out, and I'll see you all next Sunday, hopefully. Well, this video will go up for Sunday. So we're going to work on the next Sunday video. We're going to get this together. We're going to do this. So I'll see y'all back later.